You are memory. You understand? You are memory. The whole of your being is memory. You listen carefully, find out if it is true what the speaker is saying or it's a lie. You understand? Find out. You are memory. Without memory, you are nothing. Memory your name, memory of your family, memory of mathematics, memory of going up that hill, memory of your friend. Right? So you are memory. Yes. Memory is something dead, gone. Find out, sir. That is the great point. You understand? Find out what is truth. Memory is not truth. What is that flower? Look at it. You never ask, when you are looking at that flower, what is it? How does it come? You have the beauty of it. Please learn something. Beauty is truth. You understand? Beauty is truth.